मेडिसिन aurummuriaticum। मित्रों नमस्कार, आपका मेरे चैनल पर हार्दिक स्वागत है। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल के ऊपर जरूर क्लिक करें ताकि आपको आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। The purpose of knowledge shared here is only educational and to increase awareness. Please always consult your doctor before taking any medicine. Self-treatment may always be injurious. Friends, today we shall know when to use medicine aurummuriaticum. Dose is suggested at the end. दवा की मात्रा और पोटेंसी अंत में बताई गई है। आइए जानें दवा aurummuriaticum कब उपयोगी है। मेडिसिन aurummuriaticum functions of mind in best order and clear in his views, except with regard to his health or disease. He imagines he has all possible diseases, angina pectoris. If left alone, he thinks about nothing but his ailments and gets more and more out of humor, desires company. Angina pectoris. Inclined to suicide, frequent weeping, aversion to occupation, laziness, albuminuria, great depression of mind, dropsy. Everything is disagreeable, dreary, even nature around. Sadness as when homesick, sad as though a great misfortune impended. Melancholic mood, ozaena syphilitica. Profound melancholy, dropsy. Great anxiety with palpitation, loss of energy, diminished virility. Unrefreshing sleep, yawning after eating, sleepy by day even at work. Full of whims and notions, irritable without cause, tired of life, insurmountable mental or bodily restlessness. He has to spend hours in the street and in open air. Angina pectoris. Thinking about his disease brings on palpitation. Angina pectoris. After fright or vexation, palpitation, which he can feel and hear. Angina pectoris. Ailments from violent chagrin, violent palpitations, sore, aching, heaviness and sensation of rigidity in heart. Hyperemia from heart disease. Warts appear in various parts, on the tongue, on the genitals. Digestion is slow. Diarrhea after eating. Aurmur is a sycoticremedy causing suppressed discharges to reappear. Disseminatedsclerosis, the result of a fall. Exudative localized meningitis. Morvansdisease greatly improved under its use. Patient, a man cook, had hypertrophy of all the fingers. In some of them this had progressed till painless whitlows appeared. Analgesia and anaesthesia were present, and some atrophy of the muscles of the hand and arm. Brachialneuritis appeared to be the causative factor in the case. remarkable improvement occurred under Aurmur 2x. Aurmur is particularly valuable in haemorrhages from the womb at climacteric and after, which are frequently of psychotic origin, violent chill and fever, hectic fever. Ascending stairs aggravates. Ascending a hill or stairs causes palpitation and dyspnea, stenocardia. Cold washing and cold water ameliorates, warmth aggravates, throws off bed covers, suited to lymphatic scrofulous constitutions. Gold salts like mercury salts dissolve organic tissues. They stimulate the heart more but act on fluid tissues less powerfully than mercury. Constant burning in the whole head, worse left side. Head hot, limbs cold. Pulling pains in forehead, tingling, itching in that part. Sudden blindness in childbed, neuralgic pains in left eye, scrofulous flictanular ophthalmia, chronic inflammation of margins of lids, fistula lacrimalis. Music relieves. Burning and itching behind ears worse at night, tinkling sound in ears followed by deafness as if the interior of ears were large and empty. Pressing pain in the nose, ozaena scrofulosa. Tingling, burning and itching in nose, redness and inflammation with itching followed by desquamation. Red swelling with ulcerated nostrils, dry yellow crusts and sensation of stoppage, yellow pus. Deep crack in Elanasi, lupus. Red face, hair falling out of eyebrows and head. Exhastosis of right cheekbone, teeth loose, dental fistula, toothache with thrilling pains, indurated tongue, warts, cancer, ulcers, frequent desire to swallow, feeling of a plug in throat, metallic taste, increased saliva, burning, cutting, stitching in stomach, cramps, slow digestion, liver indurated, spleen enlarged, swelled abdomen, ascites, stiffness in region of groins, swelling of inguinal glands, diarrhea, worse at night, after eating, with pain in bowels, hemorrhoids, bleeding during stool, condylomata, anal and intercrural excoriation, fistula in ano of 5 months standing in a young man aged 21, bilious sanguine temperament. Diminished virility, increased desire in male, exhausting erections, violent itching of glans penis wakes him at night, drying along spermatic cord, painful drying in left testis extends towards inguinal ring, recurring by paroxysms, chancres, condylomata, excrescences from glans up to sacrum, warts on prepuce, constant running from vulva, burning, stitching of vulva, heat and itching in vagina, hemorrhage at and subsequent to the climacteric, leukorrhea, light yellow especially mornings, leukorrhea, acrid excoriating thighs with itching of genitals, gonorrheal discharge with swellings in each groin, hoarseness, speaking is difficult, dyspnea, sensation in the larynx as if closed, laryngeal affections in syphilis and mercuriosyphilis, pressure under the sternum, loud cough with thick yellow expectoration, anxious, contraction of chest, asthma, worse at night, pleuritic pains left side of chest changing place, lancinating pains above the heart, swelling of the wrists with tension on reversing the hand, and lancinations in grasping an object, tearing pains in middle finger after meals. Legs swollen and very tender along inside of tibia, exhaustosis, periostitis after typhoid, promotes sweat in smallpox, cutting pain in toes when walking, redness and swelling of toes with burning and stinging, cannot put feet down, great restlessness, changes his position every moment, his friends call him the Quicksilver Man, laziness, aversion to all work, indescribable weariness in the whole body, drying pains in various parts, especially the extremities. Dose Aurum 6, 12 and 30 potency, 1 to 5 drops in 10 ml water on empty stomach or as advised by your doctor. Wishing you a happy and healthy life. Thank you.